Hello friends, I am finally back in the garage. I have not been in the garage for almost a month, maybe like 3 weeks. I have been on Christmas vacation and then I had so much admin work, but I'm back. I picked up 2 pieces on Facebook, one from Facebook Marketplace and one from the thrift store over the past few days, so I'm excited to get started on them. One of them, which I'll show in this video, it's a table. It's a mid-century modern table. It came up on my Facebook Marketplace. I'll put a little picture if I did take a screenshot. I don't remember if I did. For $150, and it was there while I was away in Wisconsin. Oh my gosh, I need to have it. It was pretty expensive. It was $150, which for a table, that's aggressive, especially a coffee table because they don't really sell. But I figure I might keep this one because we do need a coffee table. It's my style and it was a really good find. So we're gonna get started. It should be pretty easy and I'm gonna try and have it done by the end of today so I can post this video by the end of the week. But whenever I think that it is only gonna take me a few hours, it usually takes me a few weeks. So I'm gonna knock on wood. But anyways, let's get started and I will show you guys my new table. So I think it's safe to say I did not finish the project. I called it. I always know it's going to take way longer than I always anticipate. So knocking on wood did not help. But I am going to get back to it today. I only finished the top. That's where I left off. Now I need to finish this sanding the sides. I'm going to have to fix any repairs. Then I'm going to stain it, seal it, and hopefully it's ready to go. So let's get back to work. And by the way, it's like 5 degrees right now and I only have 1 glove. So, gonna be interesting. So my last step here was to use my veneer paint kit. Now this I got on Amazon. It's super easy to use, and I'm sorry my hand is in the way for most of this video, but it comes with a few different colored paints. There's walnut, cherry, oak, and then I just kind of blend them together and use a detailed paint brush to kind of make it look perfect. And it does take a little bit of blending, a little bit of layering, but practice makes perfect, right? So my last step was to stage, and I figured I'd include all the glamour of garage staging in this video. And you can also see the before pictures up in the corner. I am very happy with how this piece turned out. For $150, I was a little bit skeptical of spending that much money, but it really came out stunning in my opinion. Although I'm not sure if this is a Kroller piece or if it's authentic Adrian Pearsall. So if you have any idea, let me know. I am leaning towards Kroller. There isn't any maker's mark, but you know, it's gorgeous regardless. So stay tuned for my next flip and don't forget to click subscribe.